5 Kenya Forest Rangers stationed at the Maji Mazuri Forest in Eldama Ravine, Baringo County are appearing before court following the death of a teen they are accused of assaulting last week. The 5 include Zipporah Chepkurui, Charles Korir, Simon Njoroge, Stanley Njoroge and Francis Lemiso. The police arrested them Tuesday, hours after Maji Mazuri residents staged protests demanding their arrest and prosecution. The Rangers are accused of assaulting 19-year-old Stephen Mwangi on May 8th. The late Mwangi had responded to his mother's distress call after she was arrested collecting firewood in the government forest. Mwangi was taken to Eldama Ravine Hospital and later referred to Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret, where he succumbed to injuries sustained on Monday night. The 5 are appearing before Eldama Ravine Senior Principal Magistrate Richard Koech.